Yo, what up, what up, what up? We're gonna get right to it, man. We gotta get this thing cleaned up a little bit. It is dirty, it is filthy, and it needs to be cleaned up. But I am very lazy right now, and I don't want to dig out my pressure washer, which is right there. I don't want to dig that out. I don't want to do that right now. I don't even have, I should do it, but I don't have the, I just don't have the patience for it right now. And it's a little hot, so I already know I'm gonna start sweating a little bit. So all I wanna do is try to get this thing wiped down a little bit and then kind of go from there. So let me get, first thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna get this thing kind of prepped a little bit, get it wet. I've been putting this off. The last time I went out, I really noticed how dirty it was, and I was just like, yeah, I can't keep it dirty like that, man. I just noticed how bad it had looked in the sun. That nose. It's a beautiful day out today. Super sunny out. It's really nice out. Like I said, I might end up hitting this thing with the foam cannon this weekend, but right now, like today, I just don't feel like doing it. So I got this pre-dip spray that I use from dipmycar.com that I had still on my other on my Riker when I was using Dip My Car. So stuff works really good on all surfaces, especially before you get ready to put your spray your dip, plastic dip on. It just helps get all that dirt. Just try to get all the major dirt off before I spray it down, before we hit it with the good stuff over there. It's dope too, because it's got me thinking about carbon fiber and stuff like that. Every time I think about carbon fiber on this bike, I seriously kind of get put off by it in a way, because I'm just like, the bike barely has any fairings on it to begin with. Like, I don't understand the point of, like, besides aesthetics, honestly, but to taking a piece of plastic off like this and replacing it with carbon fiber. I'm like, how much lighter are you actually getting with it? You know what I mean? It's like, to me, it ain't even worth it, because when you go down, that shit's gonna break regardless. So it'd be different if carbon fiber was like titanium and that shit wouldn't break. There we go. And again, I ain't doing like the whole, just trying to wipe this bad boy down. It is almost time for an oil change. Pretty soon, it is almost time for an oil change. Hey, yay. Kind of don't like. Yeah, already know. All right, so now the good stuff, man. This is that good stuff. This is that Fortified Quick Coat, that Shine Armor, man. Shout out to Dude Mungus who put me onto this. Shake it up a little bit, and I need to wash these too. Just how do you do what I gotta do for me and you, and we eat? Why the heck is you trip to the sky? My feet on the ground. If that money don't, I'm just out there doing what I gotta do. Taking it. There we go. It's been a tough ass week too, man. Like, I just been battling, man. The last couple of weeks, dude. It's just been rough. It's been a rough fucking time. It's been rough. What I gotta do. Yeah, I think we're gonna give her a nice little bath this weekend, maybe. Gonna have to. Real talk, yeah. Man, I don't like how that is going on though. So you do gotta be careful with this stuff. Spray it on, mist it. Before I spray it, I always give it like a couple sprays. It should be misty like that. That's how it should come out. It should come out very misty. It shouldn't come out like Windex. If it's coming out like Windex, spraying too much. There we go. Again, I ain't washing it. Washing, so gotta get this this little pre-dip. It came out good. Woo! So We got that there. We got that there. Got a little bit of spray on my. Got a little bit of spray. Swing arm there. And the SWB. I need to take all these cloths and wash them too. But yes, definitely looking better. Definitely looks much better. Yeah. How y'all doing? Good, good. Oh, cutie. My wife's been looking for, what do they call docs? Yes, that's what she's like. She's been looking for one. I'm like, oh my God, they're expensive. Expensive.
What we found them online is a Muddy River.
Muddy River. I'm about to say, we just found Muddy River on, I think she found them off Instagram and stuff and Facebook as well. So I was just like, nice. But so y'all got them? Y'all happy with them?
Yeah, they was real good.
Okay.
Yeah, they was real nice, and they give you a 1-year warranty on them. If something were to happen to them, they'll give you another dog.
What?
As long as you take it to the
They stay, yeah, they're standing by. So they stand by there. Okay.
Yeah. But he's healthy, ain't nothing wrong with him.
That's good. I'm glad I find somebody there. Okay, so now that's a good recommendation then. So they're good then.
Because the first thing when I saw it, they said, my wife said,
Appreciate it, man.
oh yeah, no problem.
See ya. Muddy River. So we got this bad boy in. This I might take off. Maybe I might keep that there because so I had the 360 camera here. And I took it off. Because the pole came off. Broke the pole. And I have another pole, but I don't know, man. I don't trust these anymore. It's not carbon fiber. It's the same material. It'll snap again. It will snap again. So that's why I haven't put the Insta360 back on the back of the bike, because I don't trust these poles. You got to get a carbon fiber pole, and that shit is $100. So I don't know if I really want to do that right at this moment. So other than that, this bad boy is done, man. Let me start it up. Hey Bean, how'd the test go today? What'd you get on your spelling? Do you remember? Ah. So I wiped it down. Yeah, I wiped it down. So.
It's weird because I haven't wiped mine though.
Huh?
It's weird because I haven't washed.
Should be able to ride it this weekend or today maybe.
No, I said I haven't washed.
Oh, you haven't washed it. Watch out, it's gonna be loud. Sounding good, sounding good. Got the perch. Working on yours. Oh yeah, yours is definitely dirty.
Trying not to get it in there.
Yeah, you don't want to spray the whole. You spray your rag and then you wipe. Spray your rag and you wipe. Get it? You can touch it, everything. You spray your mitt.
Except in there.
Oh yeah, that part. I'll probably have to like use like water or something, like the water machine. Once I hook it up, spray it down in there. But you don't want to spray the components. No, don't spray the chain at all.